हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू बी एडुकेट यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ टू इंट्रोड्यूस वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्पेशल स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ बी एडुकेट। एक ऐसी स्टूडेंट जिसने हम सबको ही बहुत ही ज्यादा प्राउड फील करवाया है। महाराष्ट्र लॉ सीटी 2025 की एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में एक बेहतरीन स्कोर लाके आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम वृशाली जोशी, जिसने 99.17 परसेंटाइल स्कोर किया है और अब एम कर रही है महाराष्ट्र की टॉप कॉलेजेस को। वृषाली ने बी एडुकेयर का ऑनलाइन लाइव कोचिंग ज्वाइन किया हुआ था और ये वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हार्ड वर्किंग, कंसिस्टेंट एंड फोकस्ड एस्पिरेंट रही थी। तो इस वीडियो में हम वृषाली से उनकी पूरी जर्नी की डिटेल्स जानेंगे कि कैसे उन्होंने इस कॉम्पिटिटिव एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी जो है ये करी, किस तरीके से अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट किया और कैसे इतना बेहतरीन स्कोर जो है ये अचीव किया। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन वैशाली, इतना मस्त स्कोर लेके आने के लिए।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
ओके, सो वैशाली, क्या आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो प्लीज, कि आप कहाँ से हो और आपका एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड क्या था बिफोर यू डिसाइडेड टू अपीयर फॉर द सीईटी एग्जाम।
Yes, ma'am. My name is Prashali Joshi. I am from Dhule district of Maharashtra, and I was very clear from the start to pursue law as a career. After 10th, I decided to do it, and then I explored various YouTube channels and various educational platforms on Google, and I found BHUCare classes, and then I took their online 1 year live batch, and then I started studying for MHCET. I also given a flat also, but I always prioritize MHCET.
Okay, fine, Vrishali. So, Vrishali, can you tell me when did you decide to pursue law as your career?
I decided it after 10th as my father is also LLB degree holder, so I have his influence from very beginning. So I decided it after 10th, and then I took this commerce stream in 11th and 12th to manage both MHCET and my 12th.
Okay, okay, fine, Vrishali. So, Vrishali, can you tell me what was your preparation strategy for the Maharashtra CET entrance exam?
So my preparation strategy was section wise. I will tell you. First, start with legal. Legal was one of the easiest subject for me from the very start. I focused on theory more than the questions practicing firstly. So
Hmm.
I first cleared my theory, and then I practiced question as much as I can. And I also practiced questions from B Educare booklets and from AP Bharatwaj book. Uh, and I practiced questions from that also. And also I practiced questions from mock tests and sectional tests from test pack of B Educare.
Hmm.
Then for GK, I would say GK is one of the challenging subjects for me because any random questions can be asked in exam. So for GK, I relied on the Educare booklet. I revised this book like twice or thrice maybe. And this 1000 questions from the Educare, I also did that also. And I would not suggest to use Lucent GK for MSCET because this book is very vast and very deep, and MSCET does not ask these questions very deep. So I would suggest to use this the Educare booklet, and questions is more than enough. And for current affairs, as I started earlier, I used to watch daily current affairs when I started 1.5 years ago. So I used to watch this daily current affairs from Parcham classes, and I watched it for like 9 to 10 months, and then I watched weekly current affairs of BHU Care and weekly current affairs tests of BHU Care and GK today's MCQ of current affairs.
Hmm. Okay.
For logical reasoning, I would say concept clarification and question practicing is important for logical reasoning because when you know how to solve the question, you can easily manage time management. So for logical, I would say this the Educare book and question practicing sectional tests are very helpful.
Hmm. Okay.
And for English, the book of Care and Word Power Made Easy book for vocabulary. And I used to read the Hindu newspaper daily for the vocabulary. And as told by Prakash sir, I used to write hard words from newspaper daily and then revise them properly. And maths was easy to moderate in MSCT. So
Mhm.
I did only few topics, like 5 to 7 topics are important in maths, and I did only that topics.
Okay, fine. So that is a brilliant strategy यहाँ पे वृशाली विच यू हैव यूज्ड मतलब सब्जेक्ट वाइज जो है आपने इसको यूज किया तो इट इज रियली रियली वेरी गुड एंड बहुत जरूरी होता है प्लान के साथ आगे बढ़ना तो यहाँ पे ये चीज आपकी बहुत अच्छी थी सो वृशाली क्या आप बता सकते हो कि प्रैक्टिस जो है ये कैसे किया करते आप बिकॉज मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करना एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हो जाती है तो आप कैसे सॉल्व किया करते थे एमसीक्यूज और आपने मॉक टेस्ट जो है ये कैसे अपियर करी
So I started giving mocks 2 months before the exam. Once I was done with the syllabus, I started giving mocks, and I used to give mocks every alternate day. I gave the Atal mocks, and for mocks, I used to give mock and then analyze the whole mock after giving it and find out my strengths and weaknesses and then work on the weaknesses.
ओके फाइन सो यहाँ पे इस एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की जब हम प्रेपरेशन करते हैं साथ साथ आपने अपनी 12th बोर्ड भी दी थी इसी साल
Yes, yes.
ओके सो हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज इट फॉर यू टू मैनेज बोथ द थिंग्स और आपने कैसे मैनेज किया ये दोनों बोर्ड एग्जाम और सीईटी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम को
So, somewhere it was very challenging for me to manage both CET and 12th, but I always prioritize MHCET over 12th because 12th marks at last does not matter that much than the CET percentile. So
हम्म
I always prioritize CET and for 12th I studied 10 to 15 days before the exam that much and the whole year I studied only for CET.
ओके ओके
And for 12th also I got 1.5 months. So I studied CET.
ओके फाइन सो वृशाली आप बता सकते हो बच्चा कि यहाँ पे आपने कौन से इम्पोर्टेंट टिप्स का इस्तेमाल किया बिकॉज डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे हो सकते हैं जो हमारे लिए चैलेंजिंग हो सकते हैं तो आपके लिए सबसे चैलेंजिंग सब्जेक्ट कौन सा था एंड आपने उसको कैसे मैनेज किया
So as I said earlier, GK was challenging for me. So for GK, I one day for me for from me is revision. Revision plays a very important role in GK and also current affairs. So
हम्म
I did multiple revisions for GK. Like when I done with history, I used to revise it for 2 to 3 days after completing the concepts of history. And then again after 1 month, I used to revise it. So for GK, I would say revision is very important and question practicing is very important.
ओके राइटली सेड वृशाली जितना एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज्यादा बेटर तरीके से जो है ये समझ में आएगा सो यहाँ पे वृशाली क्या आप बता सकते हो कौन से इम्पोर्टेंट टिप्स जो है आप फ्यूचर लॉ एस्पिरेंट्स को देना चाहोगे
So for future law aspirants, I would say stay calm during the exam because you perform best when you stay calm during the exam. And I would say revision is the key for this exam. Once you done with the syllabus, do revision, do multiple revisions, and again read again and again the when you have studied. So I would say revision and calm mind and composed mind is very important for this exam.
करेक्ट राइटली सेड वृशाली वृशाली आप इतने वंडरफुल स्कोर के साथ जो है आप कौन से कॉलेज को टारगेट कर रहे हो
I'm targeting ILS Pune. So
Okay, fine. I'm definitely sure with this score, you are definitely getting into ILS Pune. Okay, so Vrishali, last question for you, Bacha. How was your experience with BEducare for the whole year? You were our online live batch student. So, how was your experience with us?
So the educator teachers are very helpful. They are very interacting with us during the live classes, and they used to solve every single doubt of us during live lectures. And also, the educator mocks are really very good. So I would say teachers are also good, and their study material is also very.
Okay. Thank you so much, Vrishali, for your kind words. Be Educare family wishes you all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much.